This is Mark's Home Hobbies. What you're seeing here is 98% completed WLtoys Kei989. I got a little package in the mail today, so I couldn't go out on the track. I had some family business. One of my family members passed away, so I had to attend a service for the family member, my cousin, Stacy. Yeah, she was a great person. She loved animals, and she was a really good person, so Godspeed to her, and may she rest in peace. But other than that, I got a package in the mail, and look what I got. I got those. That right there. Those are some 5-spoke racing low angle radial tires. And as you can see, I've added some color to those running boards. Yeah. Fender flares, whatever you want to call them. Skirts. There's the front. And look at that. Another subscriber request fulfilled. There you go, Donnie. Just for you, brother. Little spoiler on top. Yes, sir. Got rid of the ugly scoop off of there. And I think what I'm going to do is delete this hole right here by removing the receiver and moving it to someplace else, which I'm going to make another video on that to show how I do that. It's going to be kind of tricky on this car because there's really no room in the back here where I can really mount the receiver and get this kind of distance, the tall distance, you know. So we're going to try something else here, see if that works. Receiver delete. Yeah, so we'll see how that works out. I'll make sure I capture some video for you guys. I think it looks pretty good. Looks pretty stunning myself. Let's turn the wheels and see how the wheels clear. Everything looks really good. Everything lines up. You can see you got pretty good lineage there on the wheels. You got a little clearance there, and we'll see. Everything looks good. I probably could use a little more paint on the back side of that spoiler, but I have to tape the whole body up again, so we'll leave it be for a while. And I still got to do the red light inserts in there too. I haven't found suitable material. I did take care of those lines on the back there somewhat. Yeah, this side looks really good too. It's pretty spectacular. You look at it like this. Looks real nice. Has the stance. It has the look that people are wanting these days. If you're like me and you like drift cars, I don't know, I'm not crazy about them myself, any of the cars, you know, the actual cars, but I think the premise and the way they build them out to accept the equipment, and they customize the bodies and, you know, all the angles, the steering angles and the setup and the suspension and everything, it's just it's a whole process. So anybody that thinks that that's stupid easy to do, it's not. Trust me, it's not. It's very hard. It's like a game of chess, okay? So if you're willing to play the game, I think this little car right here can help you out. But you got to be willing to play. You got to have a little patience. Okay, that's what it all boils down to. You got to have a little skill, a little knowledge. In my case, very little knowledge, but I managed to get along fine with what I've got. So I think I'm going to do that receiver thing, and maybe I'll bring you back another update tomorrow, and then hopefully out on the track. I mean, you can see, I'll show you, I haven't even tried these tires. Look at that, brand new, and never been scuffed. I think it looks pretty doggone good. I'm just hoping it runs good too, you know, after all these changes and these new tires and all that stuff. And I still have one more update that I'm waiting on this truck too, so it's about 98% done. I'll say when I do the receiver and I do the one other update that I'll show you in another video, then it'll be done. Then we'll do the drawing. Somebody will win a prize, and the prize will be something that you'll like, hopefully. So I'm not going to reveal what it is really, because it's going to depend on the person really. Yeah, so we'll just deal with that as we get to it. I hope you guys are liking this content. Hope you like this little truck. worked pretty hard on it. I noticed I got some overspray on my window there. Oh my gosh. I'll have to get some paint remover and take that off there. See, even when you tape the body up, you try your hardest to make things good, and it still doesn't go as you planned. So, yeah. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, but I tell you what, this truck looks like a winner to me. Yeah. Mark's Home Hobby saying, we'll catch you in the next one.